Come to the world of artificial intelligence called AI. While AI is actually collecting jobs for some human, making them poorer, AI is equally providing jobs for some human and making them richer. So let me introduce you to one of the AI that make money for humans if you want to actually make money quickly online. So if you visit this AI website, zakicom.com, you will see that it offers instant recharge of data. I know you have been seeing data rechargeable website before, but this AI website is actually different because of the ridiculous data offer it gives you at affordable rate. Okay, so how does this actually make you money is that instead of buying 1 gig of 300 naira from other platform, you can buy 220 naira from this website and you end up saving some money. How does it actually make you money? It actually make you money by saving money for you, and that 30 naira you can see is a big money when you compound it. So now the other way this AI website actually make you money is that imagine you are a sit-at-home mom, a student, your kid at school. So why don't you teach them how to do real businesses? So the business this AI actually provide for you is that you can simply create a banner like this using another AI website. Like just go to canva.com, which is another AI website. You can create a simple flyer like this. If you don't know how to create it, learn it from YouTube, or you just pay someone to do it for me. Imagine you are selling data for 251 gig, which is just so ridiculously cheap, and you come to this website and buy that data 220 naira. Do you know that with that poster, your children who are at high institution, your children who are at secondary school level, your wife who is sitting at home, you understand, and yourself who don't have any passive income online, you can simply come to this AI website, zakicom.com, and buy this data 1 gig for 220 naira. Immediately you buy, then people will start chatting you. You know, remember, you are doing some advertisement on your social platform. You know, your WhatsApp status, your Instagram reels, your Facebook marketplace. People will be chatting you and need this data, and you can easily sell this data 250 naira. Imagine myself as a digital marketer. Whenever I want to buy data, I buy from 50 gig, 50 gigabyte, 100 gigabyte. You know, the minimum I do buy is 20 gigabyte. So I myself, if I buy 20 gigabyte, which is the minimum from you, you make 30 naira in Nigeria currency into 10 places. You understand? You just make money without having a shop, without spending money. And this can be done organically because your sit-at-home woman who is nursing that baby for you, she belongs to groups, several groups in schools. She belongs to several community groups. She can easily promote this data that she's selling data with just this simple flyer, and people are gonna make it for you. So this AI website actually you can see there's nothing AI about this website. It's just a website that gives you opportunity to recharge at affordable price and also make you money at the same time. Thank you.